In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these high-performance headlight assemblies on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. There's two pins right here. I'm going to just pull those to the side, just like that, and then you can slide them up. Do the same on this one. Pop it out, slide it up, grab the headlight assembly, and it just slides right out. Now we're going to disconnect the connectors. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop under these tabs, pop that out. Do the same with this one. Slide that out. To make your adjustments, you're going to use a 4mm socket. You can see right down here, that's where you're going to adjust the height for the up and down, and then for the left and right, it's right there. You can connect the bulbs, lock those down, and slide the assembly in place. Take the pins, get those started. There we go. And lock it down. And lock that one in place. Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.